A student, a teacher, anyone who needs a graph at all can quickly make a line graph from data in Excel. So I've set up my data here. I haven't put lines or anything. Like, it's just, this is my bare data. If you've ever done a science experiment, you know that you have your independent, so the thing that you are changing, so the thing I am changing in this experiment here is whether beans are exposed to sunlight, and then that would go in your first column. Going across this row here, I have my time, so this would be how many days it took for growing. If I'm looking at a change over time, that's going to be a line graph, so all I do is I highlight all my info, come up here to insert, and I'm going to choose the line graph option. Now, we're going to notice it's not perfect, but overall pretty good solid structure to start. We can, if I do mess it up, let's say on an accident I put the X and the Y, I can just click switch rows and columns. Now obviously that looks wrong there because it was correct the first time, but it is a choice to do that. Chart title, if I want it centered over the top, if I want it above the graph, if it's just not there because it's missing it, I can just come in here and I can add it in. So it doesn't have to be perfectly put in your table for you to add it. Axis titles, if I want to, same thing, down here at the bottom, I want to say number of days, okay? Okay, and then I could really get rid of the whole day 1, day 2, and just leave it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, I can come in here and edit my vertical 1, 2. So this is going to be height in centimeters as well. Got that there. If I'd rather have a legend, let's put it off to the right instead of on the bottom. Okay, then we can see there. Data labels, if I want to add in so it's easy for them to see, it's kind of hard for you to see that there. What if I put it to the left? A little bit easier. Still pretty difficult. Maybe I put it below. Okay, or I don't think it needs it. Data table, if you want to add, you can show your data table at the bottom that way, so we see my data table there. Other option is to place it there as well. Maybe yours doesn't need it though. Axes, do we want to show them? There we go. Same thing, let's show our vertical ones just so you can see what it looks like there. Format, if I don't like my colors or anything, I can come in here and I can change all of my fonts. I can change, let's say I want like all of it, I can edit right here. Legend, change the colors, series in dark. Okay, let's just change that one so you guys can see. Let's make it green so we can see that change. Okay, so now it changed to green for in the dark. Once you've done this, you can literally copy and paste this perfectly made up line graph into anything, a PowerPoint, a Word document. You can right click and copy and paste it as well. Hope that helped.